Yo, what's up everybody? Welcome back. There we go. Holden built. On today's agenda, 2004 Volkswagen Passat. Was absolutely cherry before then. Big old deer. Bambi's dad ran out in front of him and just smashed the front end in. So we're gonna see what we can do with the fender. Yeah, there's a dent. I think I can put a slide hammer on that and pull it out. She's out. It's called Passat tea. My hand can go all the way back to this dent, and look, I'm already flexing it too, so that's mid. Sure. Oh, did y'all hear my freaking finger just crack? Oh, it's so cold. Oh my goodness. Do you see that? I mean, look at the pinpoint accuracy of this. Supposedly, I mean, this is what I've seen from other people when they do this. This works great with plastic if you're trying to pump out a bumper. What am I saying? This is gonna help hopefully the paint be a little bit more malleable so I can just ho! Pretty impressed. This looks decent. Shebang! Huh? I hope you learned something today. Hope I gave you some tips, tricks of the automotive world. Again, thank you for all the views on my channel, for the subscribers. Make sure to click the little notification bell so you can get a little ding-ling when a video is uploaded. Likes for daily stuff like reels, story stuff on what I do from day-to-day life. Make sure to follow at Isaiah Holden 3 on Instagram, because that's me. Yeah. We'll see you in the next one. Just waiting for parts here. See you later. Bro, what do I look like in these? Oh, it's like Bug's Life in here, dude. Oh, you think I'd leave you right there? Decided to do some more arm gymnastics and get the passenger side headlight in. Shebang. No more foggy lamps. Look at that. That is a good looking Volkswagen. Cherry on top. We'll see you later. Thanks for watching.